Need to add or create a new Google account on your Google TV? This is useful if you want a separate profile, different app library, or shared access for family members. In this guide, I'll show you how to set it up. So let's get started. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon and select it. Now go to Accounts and sign in. From here, select Add Account, then go to Sign In. Since we want to add a new account, we won't enter our credentials here. We're going to select Create Account. Now enter your name for the Google account. After you're done with that, continue to the next page. Here, enter your birth date. After you are done with that, enter your gender. Once done, continue to the next page. Now you can choose your email address or create your own Gmail address. Choose whatever you like from here. Then go to the next page. Now create a strong password for your account since Google doesn't accept simple passwords anymore. After that, you can confirm it and follow the rest of the usual prompts to create your account. Once signed in, your new account will sync apps, preferences, and recommendations. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a new Google account on your Google TV. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.